back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, today's video, it is a very important video, guys. Today I'm going to talk about the list of the documents you need to carry with you while boarding a ship. Guys, please watch this video till the end, because if you miss any of this document while you traveling from your home till the ship, there might be a case they'll send you back from the airport or from the ship itself. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's start this video. Well guys, there are around 6 very important documents you need to carry with you while boarding a ship. So let's begin with number 6. Number 6, I give it for medical certificate. Guys, remember when you got selected for cruise liner, you went for your medical examination? Yes guys, I am talking about the same medical certificates. Or what you need to do, you need to take all your medical certificate with you. All your means your medical certificate, your yellow fever, all the vaccination, CDC, when you have applied for CDC, you had a medical for CDC. If you have that, please take that also with you. Take everything with you, all your medical certificate. So this number 6 goes to medical certificate. Well guys, now I'm going to talk about number 5. Number 5, I give it for letter of employment. Guys, whenever you're leaving for your ship, the company or your office calls you or even email you certain documents and tell you to sign it and send it back to them. So if your company is calling you and signing a document, that is known as your letter of employment. Guys, don't forget to take this with you. It's a very important document. So please don't forget this document. So number 5, I give it for letter of employment. Well guys, now I'm going to talk about number 4. Number 4, I keep it for 2 categories. One is your STCW certificates and second one is CDC. STCW, I'm sure all of you have completed by now because you're already boarding a ship. So STCW certificate, don't forget. But the CDC, there is a catch. Many of you, the first contractor, maybe you don't have your physical CDC book in your hand. So remember, you have filled up the form online. That application form is known as your CDC for first contract. So you don't have to worry. Just take that application form. It will consider as a CDC for a first contract. So number 4, I give it for STCW and CDC. Well guys, now we're going to talk about number 3. Number 3, I give it for OK to board letter. Guys, this letter is very important while boarding a ship. So please don't forget this letter. This letter is also given by your company while you signing a contract letter. So remember, OK to board letter also to keep it in your bag before you leaving for a ship from your home. So number 3, OK to board letter. Well guys, now I'm going to talk about number 2. Number 2, I have keep it for again 2 categories. One is very important, guys. The plane ticket. The reason I'm saying it is nowadays many of the scenarios, the plane ticket has been emailed to you by the company. But if you have in physical with you, please carry with you. But if you have an email, then it's not a problem at all. And the second one goes for the hotel booking. Remember guys, it happened with me once because I did not have my hotel booking in hand with me. Lady was keep on asking me, where's your hotel booking? Where you gonna stay there? I cannot let you go without a hotel booking. So I have to call up my company and say, I need a hotel booking right now. So they have sent me a hotel booking. Then I showed it to that immigration officer. See, this is my hotel booking. And then only they let me go out of the airport. So guys, don't forget these 2 things. Your plane ticket and your hotel booking. If it's on email also, not an issue. But you should have handy with you, whether in hand or on email. So number 2 goes for your plane ticket and hotel booking. Well guys, now I'm going to talk about the number 1. Number 1 in my list is the document. If you forget, you will not be able to board a ship. That is the different story. You'll not be able to enter the airport. Yes guys, I am talking about the passport. So many times it happens, you have taken all your documents, all your luggage, everything, and you forget only a small document, which is your passport. So guys, please don't forget your passport. It is the very most common documents you people do forget. So please carry your passport with you. Well guys, it's just a general information if you're traveling. So I have taken this pouch. This is very useful, believe me. I am not doing any kind of a promotion, but it is very useful. So you can keep a lot of documents in it. For example, you can see I have kept my passport. I can put all the ticket money in this pouch. Okay, the foreign currencies, boarding pass, everything in one pouch. So while you're traveling, it's always difficult, you keeping your wallet somewhere, you're keeping your passport somewhere, so it is little difficult. So if you take this kind of a pouch, it will be very useful for you. So well guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share my video, comment on my videos. Okay, so I can make all these videos, and most probably this will be my last video for now from my home, because I will be traveling very soon. So I will keep on making video, but this will be on board, and I will make sure I will cover all the topic, whatever question you have for me. So guys, bye from Cruising with Goldie.